guys, how's it going? In today's video, it's gonna be a little bit of a gambling video. I'm gonna call it my gambling stocks, or my penny stocks to invest into. So, like literally penny stocks that I invested in today. I call it a gambling day. I don't know what the title is gonna be yet, but I'm gonna try to make it kind of attractive. Yeah, so this video is sponsored by my stock market mastery course. Join now before the discount is over. The discount code is 7 days. All you do is click on this enroll in course. You can pick either a $40 per month or $480 a year if you don't want to pay monthly. And if you use the discount code, it discounts it by half, so it would be $20 per month for lifetime, or $240 a year for lifetime. So join now and learn my every single move I make on the stock market, and possibly, you know, get useful information to help you make a lot of money in the future. So I'm making a video on IGC. If this stock drops to a certain price, I definitely probably will pick up some, because I think this company has some kind of value, and yeah, I'll definitely pick up some if it drops to a certain price point. Find out if you want to find out if I ever buy the stock, join my stock market membership group. I update my members as soon as I make a buy or a sell. It doesn't matter what it is. I will make an announcement every time I buy and sell. So there was a new company today that IPO, MediPharm Labs, debate on the TSX venture. The company has $20 million in cash in hand, $4.8 million in investment, $25.8 million in shareholder equity. Shareholder equity is book cost. The diluted share is 130 million shares. So keep that in mind, because the stock right now is traded at $2.65. So you take a calculator out. 130 million shares times 265. This gives this a market cap of $344 million. Radiant Technologies Industry, RTI, kind of the same thing, but they have better technologies, and they're partnered up with Aurora, and their market cap's only $307 million. So could be overvalued. Definitely, I think it's overvalued. Radiant Technology has way more assets than MediPharm Labs, so I'm just letting you know to be careful if you buy the stock, because I would not touch the stock unless it went to like $1. Just my opinion, or very close to $1 anyways. So I picked up a stock today. I posted on my stock market membership. It didn't really move anywhere. If you want to find out exactly how many shares and how many how many shares I bought, at what price I bought it at, join my stock market membership group. But this stock could go back, could double my money in the short term. Like, it went from 11 cents all the way to 19 cents in a short amount of time. It could do that again. I'm hoping it does that again. I think this is the bottom. I don't think it's gonna go any lower than this, but there's always a possibility it can go even lower than this. But if it goes lower than this, goes like 6 or 5 cents, I'm definitely picking up some. The company has a total of the market cap is $12 million, and the shareholder equity is about $7 million. I could go. Guess I'll do, since I'll kill some time. I'll go on Sedar and prove it to you. Sedar English. Shit. I hate this code stuff, you know, like you have to enter a code in every time you go to setup. It's so stupid, but I don't even know why that's in there. So the company has $2.5 million in cash, a total asset of 7.848 million. Have liabilities of a total of $1 million. And a total shareholder equity, oops, I guess I was wrong off that. It was 6.5 million for a market cap of 12 million, and they have a total shareholder of 6.5 million dollars. I think it's a little undervalued. I mean, it could drop down to 6.5 million dollars, which would make it like very fair value, I guess. So it could drop another 5 cents, but I don't know. I kind of doubt it. So I kind of bought it. It's a gamble. I mean, I think it bottomed out. I'm trying to pick bottom feed. I'm trying to be a bottom feeder. I'm trying to find good stocks to buy. And yes, I'm a shareholder, and only my members know exactly how many shares I have. So I don't know. This stock has like absolutely no volume. It's funny. I put in 100,000 shares today, but the volume is 109,000 shares. So like I don't understand what's going on. Like it. Right here, it tells me that it's been traded like a lot, like 120,000 shares, 98,000 shares. But here it tells me that the volume's only 100,000 shares, which kind of makes no sense in my mind. Something's wrong here. And then I went out and I bought. I also bought New Age Farms. I bought it. I saw this news today. And I thought that, you know, it looks interesting. 35 states across the nation, CBD water. Maybe when investors catch on, the stock will rise. Either that or it's going to crash back down to... Let's see. It could crash back down to 5 cents. It's the gamble I take, I guess. So it could crash back down to 5 cents. Or it could keep going up. I don't know. Let's see the 1 year chart on this thing. Oh wow, you know, it could do this. Hopefully, I'm hoping. Cross my fingers. Triple my money at 30 cents. But it's rolling the dice. So it can either go either way. I'm not too sure. It's a stock market. I don't like predicting the stock market. It could go back here, or it could triple my money. So I could either lose half my money, or I can triple my money, or double my money. Sounds like a fair trade-off. So I'm going to take the gamble. If it drops down to 5 cents, yeah, I'm probably going to definitely pick up more. But we'll see where this thing leads us in a few weeks. Namaste. I'm hoping this stock drops, but it looks like it's kind of stabilizing around $2.30. I don't think this stock's going to go back to $3. You know, anything's possible in the stock market. I mean, Sean Namaste could come out with some kind of killer news, and the stock could rise like crazy. But I don't know. I just don't see. I don't know. Anything's possible, I guess. Maybe they acquire Wayland or American, and if they acquire American, yeah, I think they could be a very dominant player in the market. One of the biggest player in the market, because they need a good low cost producer that's also GMP certified, so they can ship the product to Europe. And American has one of the, there's only 6 facilities in Canada that can ship to Germany or to Europe, and American has one of them. Aurora has 2 of them. So I don't know. I think if Namaste merge with American, that would be a dominant force. So that's just my thoughts on that anyway. So just, yeah. Tesla makes me happy. It's almost reaching my price point of 280. Maybe I'll wait till hits 270. Maybe I'll gamble on a 270. I don't know. We'll see. It's going down to my price target, and it makes me happy because I plan to buy back this stock. So I'm hoping it drops more. AMD. If this stock drops back down to below $27, I'm definitely gonna pick up more. Below $27, I don't know. It's either this or Tesla. I kind of want to buy Tesla more, but you know, I like AMD too. I think AMD could go to $40 or $50. So I could, in theory, I could double my money. I could almost double my money with the stock if I buy around $27. So I think so. I think next year is going to be a killer year for AMD. That's just my theory though. I could be totally wrong. But from my research, from my knowledge of like technology, and from you know, just following this company closely, I see big plans for, I see I see them really growing in 2019. They have so many new product launches in 2019. It's going to be crazy. There's going to be a lot of hype on this company in 2019. Their revenue is going to skyrocket in 2019 because 2019 they're going to get into the server market for CPUs, and they are competing with Intel on 7 nanometer. So, and a brand new architecture. And it's Zen's already been approved by a lot of OEMs to be put into their systems. So when Zen 2 comes out, oh man, I think they're gonna take a big chunk of server market share from Intel, and that's gonna cause this stock to rise quite a bit. And I think they're also gonna be taking a lot of CPU market share too, and possibility of the new Navi architecture that's coming out in 2019 could steal some of Nvidia's thunder too. So there's just so many possibilities, and then there's also the possibility of a new Xbox and a new PlayStation 5 in 2019, near the end of 2019. If like everything happens, I think the stock could be going to $50. That's why I truly believe in this company for at least the next year. Anyways, I'll see where the company goes after that, but right now I'm really bullish on 2019 for AMD. I think 2019 will be killer year for AMD. That's just my theory though. We'll see what happens. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. If you like this content, please give me a thumbs up. If you dislike this content, please give me a thumbs down. Subscribe for future updates, and don't forget to check out my stock market mastery course. The discount will be gone in 3 days. I like to always keep my words, so when the discount goes away, I'm charging $40 a month. So you know, better hurry. If you haven't made up your mind yet, check it out. It'll, like the videos I put into the stock market mastery course is already like worth at least $20, because I put in at least 100 hours on those 6 videos. So I put in a lot of work on those videos, and I hope you guys learned something by watching them. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. Bye.